Yes people, Tricky Heights is back once again. So today is going to be an absolute mazza of a day, so I thought I'd bring the GoPro with me. So basically yesterday I worked with a guy, and funnily enough I actually seen him at Motocross on Saturday, and then we got chatting yesterday whilst we were working. I done 2 reductions and he was like, do you want to come Motocross tomorrow? Bring your bike to work. So that is exactly what we are doing. We're taking the bike to work, we're going to leave it in his unit whilst we go to work, and then after we're going to hit up the track. So if you'll stay tuned for a sick video, yeah, let's go! Today is going to be such a good day, people. We've got a bit of work and then ride motorbikes. Let's have it! Man, I'm so gassed. It's going to be such a good day. It's raining a little bit as well, so hopefully the track's going to be prime conditions, baby. So I've just arrived at lockup, nobody else is here. I'm a bit early once again. But yeah, basically I think we've got a willow tree to pollard, which shouldn't be too bad. And then we got 2 little ash trees to take down. So I'll bring you along for them 2 little jobs, and then I'll bring you along to go motocross home. Yeah! So just arrived at the first job, and this is the willow we've got to pollard. So there's quite a bit to come off, but it should be pretty straightforward. Just get into each V and then whop them all out. So yeah, we should fly this out, and then I think we've got 2 ash trees to take out. So we got our anchor point in, and here is the willow tree. It's not too big, so it'll come off fairly quickly. Yeah, let's get into it, man. Let's freaking get into it, dude. In cheers then. As you can see, we've got a little bit of should all be pretty good. Got a feeling that's just started the video. Fuck's sake. Amazing stuff. Okay, same again. Look at that. I love willow. Held so much in. I got it, bro. Yeah. You're still on it. Lovely stuff. Happy days, clear that, bosh. I'll push out there. Little bit. She should go now. Car, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Come on. Ah, damn it. I shouldn't do this, but I actually always do this. To be fair, I done this once on a real heavy branch, and obviously it tightened my side strap, and I went flying into the stem of the tree. Served the purpose though.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, right.
See ya.
Man, I'm so tempted by one of those saws now.
Sorry?
Tempted by one of those saws.
The Echo?
Yeah, yeah.
Honestly, mate.
The lightest little thing.
Offset it against your tack, sound.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it sounds, man. It looks, man.
The cuts, man.
Yeah, yeah. Great, isn't it?
I've got the carbon bar with a micro chain, so I think that makes a bit of difference as well.
Yeah, yeah.
But if you put a normal like top handle chain on it, I'm not sure how well it would perform,
Yeah.
but still pretty good.
Yeah, yeah.
Boosh. Get back. Rather leave a few pegs maybe, get a bit more shape there. So the pollard is completed. It doesn't look great, but basically where it was done before, just got to rake this up and then get onto the ash trees. Woohoo, get back! So I'm literally just walking down the road, or dropping everything, walking down the road with all my kit. Job's literally just up here somewhere. 2 little ash trees to take out, so shouldn't take too long actually. And get on the bikes. So here's the 2 little babbers. Shouldn't take long at all, to be fair. Might just bike up those little ones to start with and then bosh that off. So the little fucker is out of the way. Just got to get on with this now. It's quite a bit of weight going over the shed, but should be able to rig it off. It's all good. So the ground crew was meant to be coming over as I started this ash tree, and they're still chipping, so don't actually really know what they're doing, but yeah, basically got this ash tree to come out, probably rig most of the stuff around that way, and then the rest of it I will rig off this point here. But yeah, it shouldn't take too long. But some of these branches have been fucking heavy, to be fair.
Quite a big one. Do you want him to get on it? That was pretty risky there. Hey, hold it tight. Nice one. So that's the ash tree completed. They wanted to leave some brass for a dead hedge. Don't know why. But yeah, all the wood's been moved over here, stacked up lovely. And yeah, on to motocross now. So work is all done. We just went and grabbed a bacon roll, and basically, yeah, on the way to motocross. It's currently 2:45, so yeah, should be able to get there in decent time, set up, maybe have a bit of a chill, and then get on the bikes, baby. We're all ready. We stopped at the garage. Look, he's keen as fuck. Look, he's gonna fall asleep. Brad, don't fall asleep. Don't fall asleep. Yeah, he's gonna fall asleep before we even get there. But yeah, we're all ready to ride on. So we're about to go out for the first session. I ain't taking the GoPro because the first session is gonna be awful. But yeah, bike's looking clean, ready to go. I don't know if I am. So we're gonna stick the GoPro on for this one, see how I do. Let's go, boy. Have a good one, huh? Have a good one. was freaking legitness. Yeah, boy. Serious battle with the 4-stroke and the 2-stroke. Woo! Let's go again. Last session, let's make it a good one. It's got pretty dark, to be fair. Look at them clouds. But yeah, I'll send the last one. Get the bike on and go home, baby. So that is motocross over and done with. Good day's graft over and done with, and we are on our way home now. Got a 45-minute drive, then I got to unload the bike. But yeah, fucking knackered now. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.